mahal. Ito yung continuation ng message ko sa'yo kasi yung isa, 'di ba? Anong pangit yung basta delayed yung boses. Tsaka hindi siya tapos kasi there's a song that I would like to dedicate to you, except that wala akong backup katulad ng ginawa mong surprise sa akin, walang magigitara. So, acapella na lang. Sana maalala mo tong kanta na to. I may burn out like a candle, and I may pass away. I might fall just like a shooting star. My heart will stay. I'll be yours until forever. Forever I'll be true. The promise I have made from the day that I found you. Forever you're in my heart. Even if we're apart, I'll say forever I'll be yours. Forever I love you. I'll say forever I'll be yours. Forever I'll be true. My love will never fade away. Even if I die, I will love you until the end of time. Even without your smile, so hear me please. I beg you to stay. Ayun. Ayun. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang yung kantahin sa'yo kasi, di ba, ever since when we met dun sa Lokban, parang yun yung palagi ko naririnig. Tsaka yung gusto kong i-dedicate para sa ating dalawa yung forever na kanta na yun. So, sana nagustuhan mo, mahal, yung birthday video message ko para sa'yo. Wag kang mag-alala sa akin dito kasi okay naman ako dito, as in okay. Kayang-kaya ko yung sarili ko, tsaka kaya ko naman po yung trabaho. Ikaw din, palagi kang mag-iingat, tsaka palagi mong aalagaan yung sarili mo, ha? Sabi ko sa'yo, dapat lagi kang pogi kahit wala ako dyan. Bawal, basta, bawal na yung pababayaan yung sarili. Tsaka ayoko nang namamayat ka, ha? Tsaka huwag ka nang iyakin, okay? Mas iyakin ka pa sa akin, eh. Ha? Ayun. So, yun lang po. I love you, mahal ko. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you. I miss you so much.